Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today in the bakery I'm going to be showing you how to do short pastry. This type of product is for making mince pies, apple pies. It also can be used for bases for almond slices and that type of. Please subscribe and share. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. The short pastry recipe is now on screen. Right guys, and now for this short pastry, take the fat out. Now we'll sieve the flour. You don't really need to sieve the flour because obviously it comes in already pre-sieved anyway, but it's always best to, because just in case you get some supermarket flour, which is a bit dodgy. Right. Sorry. Back in the bowl. And now what we can do is put your fat in. And now we're going to make this into a nice fine crumb. And if you find your butter or margarine or shortening you use is a little bit hard, pop it into a microwave for a little bit and just take that chill off of it. It'll be a lot better then. As you can see, it's starting to come down quite well. Just want to get rid of all those big lumps of fat. I bet you're thinking you don't see me use my hands very often. Yeah, occasionally I do get my hands into things and I don't use machines. Wouldn't be right to do it with no hands. There you go, it's a lot better. Nice and fine. Right, and what we do is put a well in the middle. Now what we do is get our pot and our water, pop the water in. Now what we're going to do is add the sugar into the water and give that a stir around. Like that, and now we're basically just going to whop it straight in to the middle in the well. And then start working it in. So we're going to make this into a pastry. But what you don't want to do is turn it into a bread dough. You're getting that fat mixed into the sugar. It's all starting to go down now. You can also over mix by hand as well. Hence why I said you could probably turn it into a bread dough if you keep going. Right, we're getting there now. Right, don't need any flour on the table. And that's it. Nice short pastry. Nothing else to do. And you can tell if it's good stuff because you roll up like this and then pull it apart. like that. And that's fine. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe and do share. Do check out the description below, as the recipe is below the video, and also my playlists. And keep an eye on me, because obviously on my next video it's going to be showing you what to do with the short pastry. And we'll probably make it into some mince pies, with a bit of luck. Anyway, see you again. Laters!